Hey everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this dog seat for Peppa. It has a ramp. The base is metal, and then you have this really nice, sturdy memory foam on the seat. I can even sit on here. That is how sturdy this is. I love that the ramp can be pushed in for storage. And then your dog can walk up the ramp to look out the window. Let's see what Peppa thinks. Okay, this extra wide ramp is nice, and the ramp does have material on it, so the dog can get some grip on it. I did have to put a blanket down because Peppa was afraid at first to step from the floor onto the ramp. I also had to bribe her with a few treats, but she got the hang of it. This has such a versatile usage. You can put this next to a bed or just by a window like my girl Peppa. She really loves this high vantage point, and it's great because she can take a little nap here. It took Peppa a minute to get the swing of this, but she finally did. This is really nice, and then when I'm not using it, I just collapse it again. This is not hard to put back in, but I was off to the side, so you want to get into the center, and then it just slides right in. This is a great piece if your dog likes to look out the window like Peppa. Definitely check this one out.